just preparing me for my future job, giving me experience, and hopefully what I can do for a living. The robotics lab here is just awesome. It's my favorite place this was my favorite competition, was UL. It's really well organized here.
We have 17 teams. That's the teams that have qualified from other local competitions to attend here at the state competition.
The competition this year is called Toss-Up, in which the robots work 2-on-2 with an alliance partner to score as many points as they can by moving large beach balls and small buckyballs.
The teams also have the opportunity to qualify from the winning alliance. So 3 teams from Louisiana will be in Anaheim, California in April competing at the World Championship.
When the students attend the World Championship, they get to meet students from all over the world that share the same passion for the competition. These students are going to be future engineers, future doctors. They are using their brain power to do something that's incredibly hard, incredibly difficult, but incredibly fun.
As a coach, I'm a soccer coach, varsity soccer coach, and I get more nervous at this thing than I do coaching a soccer game, even in a playoff soccer game. I've got some kids who are really interested in it, and they put a lot of work into it. I think they get a lot out of it. It's, it's been good for them.